with the rhino right there. Now, looking back onto the site here. Very misty day. Other parts falling off there. Now it looks like they've just pulled that in. Taken the link pillar out. And it's just all fallen down there. So that saved a lot of work there. I'm just viewing about a minute ago, and you can see that's all fallen in there. See, it's all fallen in there. Just that's literally in the last minute or so from knocking out that side pillar, linking up there to the major pillar at the front there. More or less on a stilt formation there with the concrete pillars. Now we can't. Remove some of that now. Stick it out there. There's some TST, some of that away throughout the rest of the day. Quite a lot was moved yesterday. Bear in mind this was virtually intact on Monday morning. See the houses beyond the Ford police station there.